Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince here, your trading friend. Friends, thank you everyone for your likes, shares, and also for subscribing to my channel. In case if you have not subscribed still, this is a channel for the working people. So in case if at all you need live trading videos, strategies, 2-minute strategies, especially for working people, then don't forget to press the subscribe button. We'll be getting daily live trading videos as well as weekly strategies as well, and lots of things to learn. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us get into today's live trading video. So today, as you can see, the situation is again negative. The market is coming down. Okay, so morning when the market opened, it had a downfall. You can see that the graph, it has gone down completely. Okay, so let us look into the other time frames. Even the 10 minutes time frame is having a loss. I mean, it is going down, showing a negative trend. Now okay, 30 minutes also is showing sideways movement. Okay, fine. So you can see that the market is moving sideways and it's not the right thing to trade now, but let us look into other time frames. Okay, 1 hour is also moving sideways. The 5 minutes is also moving sideways. Okay, but still we can see a small hint of recovery in this 5 minutes candle, and since we are you can see that small hint is there that the market is going top, but overall it was a very mixed trend indication today. The market is moving sideways. So let us look into the option chain to identify which option to trade for today. And I think we are looking at 26 March. Yeah, so that is why the number looks very big. So initially when I was looking at this, I felt the numbers premiums are very big and the volume also was very low. You can see that the open interest is also very low. So then we need to change. Yes, let us make it into 19th March, the latest week always. So these are the call options. So fair enough, the premiums are fair enough. Okay, 800 to 900 also is, I mean, it is huge amount, but we are not going to trade the full quantity today. So the Greeks are not visible today, are not seen. Okay, so in case if you're buying, we have to buy the call options, since we are going to look into the we are considering that the market is going up. Okay, but since market is ranging today, we also know that market is ranging, so I'm taking a risk of only going with selling the put. That would be a better option. Let me take 19th March, and I'll take the put options. Yes, so this also has got premium of around 1000 rupees. Never mind, we'll trade with a small quantity today. We'll not trade with full quantity because all the OC orders have been blocked and also the bracket orders have been blocked. So in this also Greeks are not visible, but fair enough, let us sell small quantity of 40. We're not selling the full quantity of 100, and we are selling it at a limit price, and we're changing it to intraday. So the price is going to be 1030. Fair enough. Okay, so you can see the order is completed, and also the position, you can see that we have taken the position already. So finally we have entered trade for today, and also let us keep our stop loss. Okay, so we entered at 1030, so we are going to keep a stop loss of, say for example, 200 points. Yes, sufficient enough, because I'm trading for a small quantity of 40 today. That's why I kept a stop loss of 50. Okay, so you can see that the stop loss is kept open. We are keeping it separate order because there is no OC orders. That's the reason why we are keeping it. Okay, so by 2:45 when I just saw our stop loss has been triggered, so you can see that the sell average was 1030 and we bought back at 1237. Yeah, so loss is part of trading, we can't help it. So you can see that initially we entered at 1030 and then we bought back at 1200, but as of now LTP is 1403, so it has saved, the stop loss has saved us from making huge losses. So as you know, this is part of trading. So just let us just look into it. The put options which we sold, you can see that the trend has suddenly changed, started going up, started going up, started going up. Okay, so today initially the market was moving sideways, and then when we entered we thought that the market will come down, but then again you can see it is moving down, moving up, and it was completely ranging, and then after that you can see it is completely moved up. Never mind, it's part of trading, so losses also has to be accepted. There's nothing wrong in taking loss. Okay, so once we book a loss, it's our duty to enter into our Excel sheet as soon as possible, because we have to maintain the track record of what we're doing daily. So 16th March we are booking a loss in Bank Nifty of minus 8,000. So including brokerage, I'll consider it as 8,500. Fair enough. So you can see that our good continuous profit has come down finally, but overall still we are in a profit of 38,000 with an investment of 2 lakhs. It's fair enough, not a bad amount, not a bad result. Okay friends, so this was all about the live trading video. And friends, just before closing, I just want to give you an update that Upstock and Angel Broking are providing free account opening. It's available, the link is available on the description of my video. You can just click the link description below and click on the link and open the account. It's completely free, and also the benefit which you're going to get is 50% discount on my open trades as well as trainings. So any doubts you have, any confusions, clarity, you can always WhatsApp. You know my number, it's 8095-876525. Friends, the market is very volatile, so I am also going to make a video today how to handle this kind of situations, how to trade in such kind of situations. So today evening you'll be getting that video as well. This is going to be the learning video which we are going to update every week on Mondays. Okay, so stay tuned for further details. So till then, any doubts you can always WhatsApp me. So thank you and have a nice day.